In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get back a terminated YouTube channel. So let's just get straight into the video. The best way is going to be by getting support with the account termination issues, is by going to the appeal in your YouTube studio or by using the form. So first things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead into this site, which is going to be support.google.com, and click on YouTube right over here, and then search for terminated or channel or account terminations are right over here. And now you want to simply go ahead and look for what kind of problem you might have. It's also going to go ahead and give you how to appeal on your computer right over here by simply going to the authentication and then beginning your review right over here. The other way you can go ahead and do so is going to be by simply searching for recover a hacked YouTube channel, even though I know this is not going to be what you're talking about. But click on chat with our hacked channel assistant, and this is where you want to simply go ahead and click on something else and then tell them about all your problems. So this is going to be your digital support assistant to help you with. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.